morning, girls. We are discussing the motion in a plane chapter. In the last class, we discussed that projectile of the motion is a parabola. Whenever the object is projected upwards in some hanging 45 degrees, you are forming the parabola that we have derived in the last class. Today we will discuss that maximum height and the range of the projectile. Here, whenever we are projecting any object, it is moving to some maximum height. This height, what is the equation for this height, and it is covering some range. So this range we are going to derive in today's class. So for that, first whenever we are projecting the object, it is reaching to the maximum height. Whenever it is reaching the maximum height, there the velocity is 0. So the final velocity is represented with v. The final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is represented with u. Initial velocity, with how much velocity it is moving? U sin theta. Initial velocity is u sin theta. And acceleration, here it is coming back to the same position. So due to the acceleration due to gravity, that we are taking in terms of minus acceleration due to gravity. And how much distance it has covered? It has covered the height h. Here the distance covered is height h. So now use the kinematic equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as kinematic equation. So here we know that v square is equal to 0. 0 square minus u square is u square sin square theta is equal to 2 into what is g? Minus acceleration is minus g and s is height. Now this equation will become minus u square sin square theta, which is equal to minus 2gh. Minus minus gets cancelled. Here what we need, what we have to find here? Maximum height. Here h is the maximum height. Write down the equation for h. H is equal to u square sin square theta, and here it is multiplying. If you bring this to this side, it will be in the denominator, that is by 2g. This is the maximum height reached by the projectile. Now we have to find the range. To find out the range, we are having the formula. Range is equal to velocity into time. Velocity into time. With how much velocity it is moving in the x direction? U cos theta. So here r is equal to u cos theta. And what is time here? The range, time of flight. Here time is nothing but how much time taken to flight from initial position to the final position, that is 2u sin theta by g. Here if you calculate this, r is equal to u into u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. By the formula, 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. So r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Here theta is equal to 2 sin theta is sin 2 theta. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. So we are getting range r is equal to u square by g. So the range, how much it has covered from initial position to final position, is nothing but u square by g. How much maximum height it is reached? That is nothing but u square sin square theta by 2g.